I'm Erica Borgers. I am the Chemical Hygiene Officer and Biological Safety Officer at Naval Surface Warfare Center in Dahlgren, Virginia. I currently oversee high hazard laboratories that have chemistry and biology operations and ensure that everybody is working safely and they leave in the same condition that they showed up for work every day. I have definitely had a career progression from wet lab work, bench work, into more of a management role, especially having been at Dahlgren for as long as I have. Once I learned all the processes that went on in the lab, you move up, you become a testing lead, so then you're in charge of making sure the test runs well. And then after a few years of that, you become more of a project lead where you oversee the people who are running the tests and make sure that they do the tasking they're supposed to do and your project runs well, and you get into a lot more computer-based work versus actual lab work. When I graduated from Georgia Tech with my undergraduate degree, I thought that I would be doing one thing all day, every day for however long I would be working. And working for the government, that has not been the case. I don't think it's like that for really anybody who works in the government, because there's so much that you could do and so many different directions that you can go, and it's a choose your own adventure of employment. It was very surprising when I started here, and I think it's one of the things I love the most about my job is the variety of things I've been able to do, and still the vast number of things that is still possible to do if I so choose to do it. When looking at a DoD career, definitely start early and be persistent. That would be the best advice that I could probably give to anybody starting out. At the heart for me is that STEM is in life, and that is awesome, and that's how I approach what I do, and that's what I hope to show anybody I encounter with my STEM work, is that it's not just being a scientist, it's not just being an engineer, it's being a person who lives on the planet, going through life. We're all in STEM in some way or another, and that's how I look at it.